Welcome to George Tech Talk. Today I'm going to introduce Elgato Stream Deck. I'm going to show you how I use this little gadget to improve my productivity in my working from home and also my music learning journey. So check out this video. So what is a Stream Deck? A Stream Deck is like a little keypad where you can customize the functionality you wish to let your computer to perform either a task or a series of tasks. For example, if you want to quick launch Microsoft Windows Word, you can just click a simple button and the Stream Deck will just pop up straight away. You want to shut down a computer, you don't need to go to the start menu and shut down. All you need to do is just press the little button and confirm, and the gadget will help you to shut down the entire system. If you want to open YouTube, you can just customize your Elgato button so it will open the web page straight away. If you want to say run multiple application, like I want to open Google Chrome and then I want to open Spotify and also make sure my Outlook is opening, or you want to do multiple application like checking network speed at the same time, you can customize that in a single button.
One, two, set, go.
So in summary, the little gadget has helped me a lot in my working from home and music learning journey, like starting from launch all the work application I need with one button, and control my key light, either increasing the light, decreasing the light, and set a volume, mute, unmute, switch between audio devices, and also set up timer for learning music instrument, and also shutting your PC down with a simple button clicks. And there's a lot of functionality I have yet discovered in this video, but definitely it's worth for you to explore as well. Thank you for this watching video, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.